Your student information system can export a OneRoster file, one zip containing every campus, every teacher, every student, and every class in the district. This is how most districts will bring their roster in. Recorded against writealign version 2.38.9. Everything you set up lives under one menu, Manage. Open it and choose Roster. Before we upload, notice the card at the top. If your district uses a rostering service, writealign can sync from it directly instead of you handling files at all. That's a separate setup, and it's covered on its own. For today, we have the export. Upload your first bundle. This is that export straight off your computer, a zip of CSV files. Upload and review. Notice that word, review. Nothing goes live yet. writealign reads the file and holds everything in a staging area. 1,500 students, 51 teachers, 4 campuses, read, understood, and added to nothing. 219 classes came in, and here they are, every one of them, ready for your review. writealign takes you straight to the review screen. Here's the whole district. And look at the panel on the right. Classes, courses, campuses, students, teachers, all at 0. That panel is a running total of what you're about to add, and right now, you've chosen nothing. writealign matched the district in your file to your district by its Texas County District number. That's why it's certain this roster belongs here and not somewhere else. It also noticed some columns that aren't standard OneRoster fields. If any of those carry a state or federal identifier, mapping them here lets writealign match people and campuses statewide instead of just inside your district. It's optional, and you can come back to it. Now the important part, writealign is a writing tool. It doesn't need your band roster or your agriculture classes. So it has already read all 219 and highlighted the 94 it thinks are writing classes. Let's take them a subject at a time. Filter to English Language Arts. 47 sections, grades 3 through 12. Every English class in the district. Select them all. Now watch the right panel. It just filled in the students, the teachers, and the campuses those 47 classes bring with them. You didn't pick people. You picked classes, and the people came along. Nolan Springs also wants written answers in middle school science. Filter to science. And narrow it to the middle school grades 6 through 8. 15 more sections. Largely the same students you already had, now with their science writing included too. Social studies is next. But watch what happens. It isn't in the suggestions at all. writealign only suggests the subjects it recognizes as writing heavy, and social studies isn't one of them. So turn off likely matches only, and there they are. This is the important idea. The suggestions are advice. You are the one who decides what your district writes in. 15 sections of middle school social studies. Select them. 77 classes. 1,170 students. 36 teachers. And 330 students, your pre-kindergarten through 2nd grade campus, deliberately left out because they aren't writing yet. Review and add. Add 77 classes to writealign. writealign builds it now. The campuses, the teachers, the students, and the classes that connect them. And that's it. 77 classes across 3 campuses. Your primary campus was in the file too, but you didn't select any of its classes, so writealign never created it. You only get what you asked for. Your teachers have accounts now, built straight from your roster. They sign in with their district email. You don't create anything by hand. And your students in exactly the classes you selected and no others. 3 campuses live. That's a OneRoster import start to finish, and nothing went live until you said so.